to talk about. First thing first is okay, so in all seriousness, you know, anybody that lives in, of course, East Coast, I just want to say, you know, you guys, and matter of fact, of course, I stay on that side as well. So I just want to tell everybody who stays anywhere near the coast, I pray that this storm don't come at all. Like, in all honesty, I just pray that it just weakens and just, you know, go away. Like, we don't need this. And then on top of that, you know, to have 2 more storms, like, after that, it's just too much. It's a lot. And to me, I feel like it's more so God telling us, oh, it's just saying, look, it's enough time. I mean, it's been enough of playing, enough of, you know, all this bad stuff going on, and, you know, and crime and things like that. And I'm not saying all that just because of this, you know, storm, because I've been with thinking this, like, it's been enough time. And anyway, I just want to say, you know, hopefully you all do what y'all have to do to be prepared just in case. But like I said, prayerfully that it doesn't have to come to where we have to evacuate, because that's the last thing anybody want to do, is have to leave their house or leave their home behind, you know. But anyway, guys, so on a lighter note, I just wanted to say too, my hair right now, I have a ponytail in, and the reason for that is because I don't know if y'all can see really good right now my natural hair under here, but I'm actually about to, well, I don't know if I want to go to Walmart to get this box kit, because I was gonna put a you know, I am not natural, by the way. I do get perms in my hair, so I'm trying to decide whether or not I'm just going to the hair store right now, or I'm gonna go to the go to Wally World, Walmart. And I kind of don't like even going to Walmart because there's so many people, and not only that, the lines that are in Walmart is ridiculous. Like, the past probably couple days, they didn't even have the self-checkout line open. They only had the regular checkout, and those lines were backed up. So I'm not sure if I even want to go in Walmart. So I might stay on, I'll show y'all in a minute, because I'm almost there right now. And please do not do what I'm doing, record it and drive it, unless you're really good at driving. But at the same time, just don't do. And in my last video, which was the individual lash tutorial, I did want to make a disclaimer on that. Even though I didn't have any tweezers, or I didn't use any tweezers, I just wanted to say my hands were clean. By the way, make sure you do wash your hands, because if you're doing that with dirty hands, you know, it's easy to get dirt and all bacteria and stuff in your eye. But anyway, I am at my destination. Is the hair store open? Okay, it is, and the nail place is open. Ooh, what did I just run? Hold up, you guys, I'm trying to see. Oh, that was a can. I thought that was some glass I ran over just now. But they said, what is this car doing? I just want to see what I ran over. It looked like a piece of, yeah, that's a can. I thought it was some glass. That was a hard piece of can. It was a hard can, whatever that is. Okay, so I just want to show y'all where I'm at right now. I am here on this side, and Walmart, of course, is back down that way, down that hill, but I am over here on this side. So what I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna do two things. Of course, I'm gonna get the kit, the perm, you know, the box or whatever. But y'all probably heard me say something about nails. Now, this set of nails I did dip powder. So I'm sure most of you are already familiar with the dip powder, the dip nail system. And what I was gonna do, if they can do it, and if they have this, y'all know how the girls have the rhinestones. So I just wanted to go in there and see if they do that, if they have rhinestones, or if they do, or if they don't have it. So, oop, and if you hear all that noise, that not that noise, that was just a notification, but that fan, that's my AC on. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to go in there and see if they have that. So I might go in the nail salon. I don't know. Okay, somebody correct me. Okay, because is nail salon, nail shop the same thing basically? Like if somebody said, "Oh yeah, I just came from the nail salon," well, I don't think that's the same thing, because salon is hair and nail shop is, you know, a shop. So yeah, I think the right term is nail shop, but sometimes I just always say nail salon for some reason. Why that lady peeking in the... That's weird as heck. Wait, they're not open? Oh no, they're closed. They are closed, y'all. The nail place, they're closed on Mondays. I didn't notice that until I saw this lady looking in the window, and I was like, and then I saw on the door it says Monday they're closed. So it looks like I might have to go in Walmart. I was gonna go to JD's right quick, but Walmart has a nail salon in there inside, of course. So dang, I didn't want to go to Walmart. But anyway, you guys, I guess I'll see y'all when I get in Walmart. Okay, bye. Here is the perm. Usually I get Olive Miracle, but for some reason I like how this looks. Soft and beautiful. But I need a that has no lie. Well, all of these has no lie relaxer. But I need something mild. Let me see. Cause I have sensitive scalp. What is this? This is a texturizer. That is for sensitive scalps. This is different. Oh my gosh, and there's the rain, you guys. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna have to hurry up and get in my car. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get in the car. See, I'm back in my car. And yes, it is raining. So that's why you see me. You hear me out of breath. And you see that it is clearly raining. But anyway, Next, I'm probably gonna get something to eat because I am pretty hungry. So, okay. So, when I left out of Walmart for my nails or whatever, she couldn't do it. Well, they could, but because I had dip powder on my nails, because I used dip powder, it would get in the way of when I would need to fill it in. So, but it's not raining. It's not like pouring down, thankfully, because I hate driving in the rain. So it's like just drizzling. Ooh. But anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna get something to eat from. I don't know what I want. But anyway, yeah, so I got that relaxer. It's called Super. Got the name of it really. No, it's Super something. But yeah, I just pray that we do not get the storm. The storm does not come this way. And as y'all can see, Eswin is off. Let me explain why. I'm the type of person, because I always mess with my nails. Not a bad thing, but when I say that, I mean because I know how to do my own. Now, does that mean that they may come out looking like perfect, or they may come out looking, you know, extra good or as professional? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure, but hey. Anyway, all that matters is, you know, I know how to do my own stuff, and because they have so much, you know, nail products out there, it's easy for me to do it myself because I spent time, you know, practicing and stuff like that. What am I gonna eat? Chick-fil-A. I feel like going to Salsarita. I had that, I forgot which day, either yesterday or the day before, but I really don't feel like getting out in this type of, I don't feel like getting out in this rain, to be honest. Even though I have an umbrella, and I didn't have an umbrella going in Walmart, which I should have had because it was a little bit cloudy. So I don't know where I'm gonna get me something to eat. They have Panda Express. I don't want that right now. Even though that sounds good. And they have Freddy's. If y'all don't know what Freddy's are, some of y'all might know, but Freddy's have steak burgers and they have custard. Like, I guess that's like some type of ice cream. Well, it's not ice cream, but it's custard, but it's something like it. I will go at Salsarita's, but it's a Mexican grill. I'm trying to figure out what I want, y'all. finna eat in this. I'ma just go and Salsarita. I wish they had a drive-thru, but they don't. So I was about to pass it too. Dang. They have Popeyes over there. Should I get Popeyes or should I not? I might just get me some Popeyes. I don't know. I'm so indecisive right now. And the only reason is I don't want to get out and go in Salsarita. Because by the time I get out and go in there, it's probably going to rain. Probably going to come down even harder. And I don't feel like dealing with that. So yeah, but pretty much everybody's like in all these other grocery stores, of course, you know, just being prepared, getting prepared just in case. And I pray that, you know, the storm just don't come, it don't have any impact really, but don't have as much as damage done, because it's kind of crazy. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it's kind of scary. And then so I, you know, and we just moved out here 2 months ago near Columbia. So, well, more like 3 months ago now. Yeah, 3 months, not 2 months. So anyway, I'm going to go to Popeyes. Should I go to Popeyes? There I am, being indecisive again. Oh, the rain has really completely stopped, which is good. How do you get over there? Oh, we hear that music that's on the radio. This is a good, listening to some gospel. Look at the food truck. They have another Mexican place, but I don't even think nobody was eating there. I have yet to see. That's weird. Uh-oh. I'm at Popeyes. I guess I'm gonna just stick with Popeyes, because I'm pretty hungry, so it really don't matter. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to order my food. Oh. Ooh. Yes, can I get, let's see. Hi, Popeyes. Here's former I'm deciding if whatever I want. I'm trying to decide.
I used to talk to my team about the difference between perception and reality. The public perceives players as different from the ordinary people their families and friends know. But to
It's okay. I'll come back.
need to go beyond perception and look at reality. Not at their reputations or past performances, but who they were on the field. Our perception
I don't know why, but for some reason,
measure these things by God's word. We're facing our
I
lives
have a
in reality,
taste for
not perception.
Saucerita, which I should have stayed.
To develop a good game plan in life, to know who you really are and where you're going, and then pursue your goals.
Tony Dungy, author of the popular Uncommon book series. Discover more at CoachDungy.com. That's CoachDungy.com. We're all part of the community.
Anyway, you guys, so after I get this to eat,
Every day.
If you see something
and I'm probably just gonna go home because today's gonna be a short day. I'm not trying to be stuck out in this rain because probably for the past, I mean not the past, but probably prayerfully all we get is like rain and nothing major. My hands are so freaking dry, y'all. But anyway, you probably will see my nails are back on. I don't know. But yeah. So I just decided to vlog today because I know it's kind of been a while since I've done like a fun vlog, and even though technically this may not be a fun vlog, being that everything or a lot is going on right now as far as the weather, and it's just crazy, just really crazy. So alright, Saucerita it is. I'm not going to change my mind again, you guys. I'm not. I promise. But anyway, I'm about to go inside because I keep forgetting they don't have a drop. But it's okay because I'm not gonna be long. So I will see y'all after I get my food. Alright, as y'all can see, yes, I ended up going to Panda Express. And with that being said, this is where I'm gonna wrap up this vlog for today. And also, if everything looks good as far as later on this week, hopefully the storm and stuff will pass over. But right now, I don't know if I'll be able to do another video just because we are still watching what's going on with the weather. So anyway, you guys, yeah, I will see y'all another day.